Napoleon Hill once said, "If you can dream it and believe it, you can achieve it." Let's start a journey to discover secrets of success. We're going to talk about an important idea, the power of thought. This idea is a big part of Napoleon Hill's famous book, Think and Grow Rich. Hill believes that our thoughts and beliefs have a big impact on our lives. They can shape our success or failure. But what does it mean to use the power of thought? Is it just daydreaming about success? No. According to Hill, the power of thought is about having a success mindset and believing that it will happen. It's about setting clear goals and knowing that you can achieve them. This idea changes the belief that success is about luck or only for a few people. Instead, it says that anyone can be successful if they think and believe in what they can do. It's not just about positive thinking, but thinking with a purpose. The book also talks about the importance of having a clear purpose, something that drives you, something that makes you want to start each day with energy. Along with purpose, you need to keep going. Success isn't easy, there are always challenges. But it's the ability to keep going no matter what that makes successful people different. So, let's use the power of our thoughts. Let's set clear goals and keep going even when it's tough. Hill says that a clear purpose and belief in yourself are the first steps to success. We will explore the concept of the mastermind alliance invented by Hill in more detail later. The most important point to take away from Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill is the highly effective tool for success, known as the mastermind alliance. Imagine a group of individuals, each with their own unique abilities and perspectives, all working together towards a common goal. This perfectly embodies the essence of a mastermind alliance, a deliberate collaboration that can produce extraordinary results. If you're wondering how this alliance can improve the mental capabilities of each member, it's all about synergy. Our individual strengths are amplified when we combine our efforts with others. Every participant brings something unique to the table, and when these unique skills are utilized, they create a power that greatly surpasses the individual parts. Think about the most successful businesses in the world. They are not led by a single entity, but a team, each contributing their expertise towards the group's goal. This demonstrates the power of a mastermind alliance. It is similar to a jigsaw puzzle where every piece, no matter how small, is crucial to the image. Hill emphasizes that harmony is crucial in a mastermind alliance. It involves more than just bringing minds together. It involves creating an environment where everyone can thrive. It involves fostering trust, respect, and mutual support. In such a supportive atmosphere, ideas are shared freely, issues are addressed more effectively, and success becomes a group effort. But the truly remarkable aspect of a mastermind alliance is its ability to tap into an unseen force. Hill suggests that the harmonious unity of two or more minds creates a third unseen force, analogous to a third mind. This force, he implies, is a dynamic source of energy and creativity, a catalyst for success that can only be accessed through collective thinking. To quote Hill, "No two minds ever come together without a third invisible force, which may be likened to a third mind." This is the magic of a mastermind alliance, a testament to the power of unity, cooperation, and shared purpose. Therefore, imagine what could be achieved if we implemented this concept, if we utilize the power of collective thinking. The possibilities are truly endless. We will delve further into this later. In the next chapter, let us explore the profound statements made by Hill. He suggests desire is the starting point of all achievement. This is a concept we are going to dissect further. Hill views desire not as a mere wish or a vague hope. Instead, he sees it as a powerful driving force that pushes us towards our goals. It's the intense flame that ignites ambition, propelling us to strive for our desires, to aim for the stars. Having a precise, well-defined desire is like having a roadmap to our end goal. It serves as our guide, giving directions and showing us the path we need to follow. A strong desire enables us to come up with a solid, focused action plan. It helps us understand our needs, recognize our destination, and figure out how to there. Desire also grants us resilience. It supports us to endure when the path becomes steep, when obstacles arise, when it seems we're wrestling with the wind. It empowers us to persevere, to continue striving, to keep moving forward. However, a lack of desire or a vague, undefined desire can lead to confusion, indecision, and paralysis. It may leave us feeling lost, directionless, and stagnant. Therefore, it's essential to have a specific, well defined desire. So, if you're aiming for success, if you're eager to accomplish your goals, start with a strong, clear, be exact about what you want, and chase them with all your might. Summing up, an intense desire is the fuel that drives success. Hill warns us about the 6 ghosts of fear. Let's understand what these are. Napoleon Hill, in his influential book Think and Grow Rich, identifies 6 fundamental fears that can cripple our potential. The first ghost is the fear of poverty. This fear can be paralyzing, causing us to shy away from risks and opportunities. Yet, Hill urges us to face it head on, to embrace challenges as stepping stones, not stumbling blocks. Next, we encounter the fear of criticism. This ghost often haunts those who are afraid of what others may think or say. It can stifle creativity and hinder growth. Hill argues that we must learn to value our own opinions above those of others, for it is our self-perception that truly matters. The third ghost is the fear of ill health. This fear can lead us to neglect our physical well-being, focusing too much on work and not enough on self-care. Hill reminds us that a healthy body is the foundation of a healthy mind, and both are essential for success. The fourth fear, the loss of love, can be deeply ingrained. We may fear rejection or abandonment, and these fears can hold us back from forming meaningful relationships. Yet, Hill encourages us to understand that love is not a finite resource, but something that grows when shared. The fifth ghost is the fear of old age. Many of us fear the inevitability of aging, the loss of youth and vitality. But Hill suggests that with age comes wisdom, and this wisdom can be a powerful tool in our journey to success. Lastly, we grapple with the fear of death. This is perhaps the most profound and universal of fears. But Hill encourages us to see death not as an end, but as a part of the natural cycle of life. As we learn to face and conquer these fears, we open the door to limitless potential. Overcoming these ghosts is not just about achieving financial success, but about living a more fulfilling and fearless life. As Hill states, fears are nothing more than states of mind. Having journeyed through the key ideas in Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich, let's revisit the central themes. We've explored the power of thought, the concept of the mastermind alliance, the importance of desire, and the strategies to conquer the 6 ghosts of fear. These concepts are not just abstract ideas, they are practical tools designed to transform your perspective on wealth and success. The power of thought is the cornerstone of Hill's philosophy. He believed that our thoughts shape our reality. By focusing on positive, success-oriented thoughts, we can attract wealth and prosperity into our lives. It's not about wishful thinking, but about cultivating a mindset that sees opportunities instead of obstacles. Next, we delved into the Mastermind Alliance. This is about surrounding ourselves with people who support our goals and ambitions. It's about creating a network of individuals who are invested in our success and can offer guidance, support, and resources. Remember, no person is an island, and success is often a collaborative effort. The power of desire was our third stop. Desire, in Hill's view, is the starting point of all achievement. It's not enough to simply want success. You must deeply desire it. This burning desire drives action and persistence, key elements in any success story. Finally, we confronted the 6 ghosts of fear. Fear of poverty, criticism, ill health, loss of love, old age, and death. These fears, if left unchecked, can paralyze us, preventing us from pursuing our dreams. Hill teaches us to recognize these fears, confront them, and transform them into stepping stones rather than stumbling blocks. These are the central themes of Think and Grow Rich. Ideas meant to empower and inspire. But remember, these principles only work if you do. Success is not a destination but a journey filled with learning, growth, and persistence. As we wrap up, let's revisit a powerful quote from Napoleon Hill. Patience, persistence, and perspiration make an unbeatable combination for success. This encapsulates his philosophy beautifully. Success is not a sprint but a marathon. It requires time, consistent effort, and the courage to keep going, even when the going gets tough. If you found this video helpful, do subscribe to our channel for more insights and inspiration. Our journey together doesn't have to end here. Let's continue exploring, learning, and growing together. Until then, keep thinking and growing rich.